Obviously, one thing that we as vets do a lot is dispense tablets to our patients for various conditions. And this always causes the hearts of cat owners to sink, because cats can be notoriously difficult to give tablets to. So what we're going to do with the help of TC is just demonstrate some of the best ways to help your cat take a tablet and hopefully keep it stress-free for everybody. Obviously, the biggest way to give a tablet to a cat is to put it straight down their mouth, and that's what we're going to show you today. You can either do that using your fingers or a pill popper. Some tablets you can hide in food, and others you can crush up into a powder and put in food. But if you think that you're going to need to give your cat the tablet with some food, do check with the vet first, because a lot of tablets, they either have to go on an empty stomach or they can't be crushed, so it's important to check before you do that. Go out there to the dog and then check the vet. We're just going to give him a tablet. Okay. So this is TC, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be giving him this tablet, which is a worming tablet. So the best way to do it, and it's a two-person job, again, have the cat either on your knee or raised up on a table, and have an assistant to hold onto the cat. If you ask them to stand behind the cat and put their hands, like Jackie's got them, around the front of the cat's shoulders, that means that they won't be able to lift their paws up and scratch you if they're that way inclined. Okay, so taking one hand, and I'm using my right hand here, just gently take the cat's head in your hands like this, with your index finger and your thumb on either side of the jaw. And then extend the cat's head upwards so they're looking at the sky. And you can see that as you take it and looking straight up, the jaw relaxes and drops. Then take the tablet in between two fingers and use your other finger to just gently open the jaw. Push the tablet to the back of the cat's mouth and quickly take your fingers out again. And then just hold the cat's mouth shut until they do a big swallow like that, and the tablet is gone. This is a pill popper, and they're available from your vet or probably from larger pet stores as well. And they enable you to give your cat tablets without having to put your fingers in their mouth if you're worried. The tablet fits in the grabber at this end. There's a plunger inside this casing, and you control that plunger with your thumb at this end. Once you've got the pill popper into the animal's mouth, angle it backwards towards the back of their throat and press down the plunger. What it does is it drops the tablet right at the back of the cat's throat, where it's much easier for them to be able to then swallow it down. Take your cat's head just as before, lift the head up gently like that. Then if you put the pill popper into the side of the mouth, don't come from the front, from the side, winkle it between the teeth, then extend it to the back of the throat. Good boy. And push the plunger. It'll drop the tablet off in the back of the cat's throat, and again, they'll then swallow it. Place your hands on top of the cat's head, with your thumb and your middle finger on either side of their jaw. Gently lift the head upwards until the cat is looking at the sky. Then take the pill popper and put it gently in through the side of the teeth. Winkle it in till they open the mouth, angle it backwards and fire. It's all over very quickly, but as long as the cat's given a big swallow, then you know the tablet's gone down.